Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. God bless you as you do this.
Thank you so much, Adedimura. God bless you. Bless you. Thank you everybody for coming. Good afternoon, everybody.
You are making noise.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. This is a dream come true. Oh my God. Uncle. Uncle, look. Thank you so much for coming. I am greatly honored. I don't even know how I feel right now. I don't even know I would have the strength to even stand, because I mean we've been walking around the clock trying to make sure everything is okay. So I would like to say very big thank you to everyone. I'll say very big thank you to God Almighty who has made this possible. I am that I am, the omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscience, the Olawon Gbogbooro. Oh, the King, the Rainmaker, the one who is and who would always be. He has been there for me, and he will continue to be there. I give him all the glory for it, because without him this would not have been possible. So I want to say a very big thank you, Crash. I want to say a very big thank you to God Almighty. A very big thank you to my mom. A very big thank you to my dad, who's late now. A very big thank you to my grandmother, who actually started this restaurant business. Abula. The Abula level. She had a hotel then called Fino Guest House in those days. You know, I was born into that line. And when all my young ones, my friends, my mates were busy from school going to parties and all that, me, I was ending up in the kitchen. I started going to my 12, I think at the age of 14. Even though my family was so okay, so well to do, my granny believed that I still had to end up in the kitchen. So we had to go to the market, you know, and that's how I learned a lot of things about food. And when my auntie Aduke got married, I had to go live with her so I could learn how to take care of other things and do other things. So I was well brought up. You know, but I never let that part leave me, and that is why it's always good to train your children in the way that you want them to go. So no matter how they try to draw the line, they will always still have that thing in them, the memory over there. And that's, you know, that's where I get all this business zeal from. I remember many years ago when I told Tosin that I wanted to start selling food. She was like, say what? You better, I don't even want to eat. Oh, I said, okay, should I do boutique business? She said yes. So, you know, I left it for a while, but I've always had it in me that one day I'm going to, you know, come back to that business of selling foods and drinks. You know, and that has always been my passion. A lot of things are my passion. Acting is my passion. Fashion is my passion. Music used to be my passion way back in secondary school. Yes, I have the Nakobas in the building. You know, some of my secondary school mates, you know, and I mean, I'm just super active, super hyper, super everything. I just want to do everything, try everything, and if I fail, I never lose up. I just wake up, you know, and I'm over. A lot of people don't know, my first business, I was 21 years old. I opened my first supermarket at the age of 21 in Onikpan. That was when I did my first business, supermarket business, but it didn't work well for me, so I closed it down. Barely 10 months, and I just said, you know what, I'll try something else. And then, you know, a few years later came, I opened the boutique business. I did that for a while. It was going. I did the salon business, which I still do. I still have a boutique and a salon. So the God be the glory in the Keja. I still have that. So I'm still doing that by the side, you know. Then I said to myself, I love fashion. I love taking off my skin. I love, you know, I love people to look good. I'm always complaining when someone is not looking good. What's wrong with your skin? What's this? What's that? You know. So I decided to go into the beauty world, and that's where the First Prize World came about, and that's what bettered the First Prize World, the spa, the beauty, cosmetic, cream, all those things came along, and First Prize World came to world in 2013. And you know, I did it, but I still had that crave, that fashion, you know, for amala. You know, our local way of buying amala. When I go out to buy amala, I'm like, will be 13 roll, you know, 13 you know, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it in a posh area where, you know, where I will bring it to the posh area. So you bring local to the posh story, I will bring it to Shekini and to take over. You know, and so that's what made it. I'm so happy. A friend of mine was also part of it, but she's not here now, Lara, because we talked about it together with Tosi and Sharon, you know, and it went on and on. It's a big round of applause for my friend Tosi Abiola. She did well, because she stood by me through it all, And there are times I just call and say, Sharon, 5,000, I'm a local accountant, and then Tosi, 50 cover, local. She will say, okay, let me follow you. She will send it, you know, and then later, you know, we'll sort it out. So I mean, she's there for me. She's there for me. She's a friend. I know I didn't ask a lot of people, you know, but you know, she's been there for me. Yeah, she's still blushing. Come on, bounce here. I don't know. You know, I mean, thank you, Uncle Lukman. Thank you so much. God bless you. I mean, he's been a very strong advisor for Mizanzi World. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, Dayo. Everybody, thank you. I can't mention everybody's name. My sweetheart, my crush. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for coming, because today, you know, is the new beginning of another move. Don't be surprised tonight. We're just here. Yeah, First Prince Oil and Gas. You never get. I'm going to keep going on and on, and I tell Festus and Priscilla, because I mean they are the CEO, the original CEO. My daughter, where is she? Priscilla. They are the real CEO, and I tell them I'm doing this for you.
Oh yes.
I'm doing this for you, you know. And like I told my kids, I remember when Priscilla, I'm going to say this, when she was in GSS3. And she knew that her mom could afford to put her in a very expensive secondary school then, you know, kids now. Yeah, she said, Mom, I want to change my secondary school. I don't like it. This school is not, Mommy, let me go to, I said, you know what, my baby, your teenage age is the most important age for you. That's when you learn everything. That's when you decide to go right or go wrong. I want you to mix with the middle, with the poor, with the low, so you get to understand what life is all about. It's not about wearing expensive clothes, expensive shoes. It's about impacting something positive in the life of so many people that even when you're gone, they're still going to talk about you. If you go through my staircase, you see some pictures of some people that I hold so dear to my heart. Some of them are late, some of them are still alive, but their words I have put there are words that have helped me get to where I am today. And I tell her. So when I was doing this, I said, all this is for you, not to waste, but it's for you, so that tomorrow you can take it up from there. I took it from my granny, and I'm here today, so you can also do that, you know. So I say that to them all the time. A very big round of applause for a girl that has known me for 14, 15 years. I fight her a lot. Why fight I said she's the original first prince, you know. She's always going up and down. She's lost a lot of weight. We've lost a lot of weight. When you guys start patronizing us, buying all the amala and everything. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. It's an honor to have everybody. The party starts. Enjoy. Go up. You know, just walk around. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye. So you all can ask whatever question. You're exclusive. Can we do that? Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.